Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up custom redirects on SiteGround. I just tap on my Safari browser. Before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan. If you want to buy the premium or subscription of this SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me after creating an account. So how to create URL redirects in Site Tools. Redirects allow you to forward the visitor of a specific URL to another page of your website. In Site Tools, you can add a redirects by going to Domain Redirects. Choose the desired domain, fill in the URL you want to redirect to another, and add a URL of a new page destination. When ready, click and create. So after creating, the next is how to edit and delete an existing redirect. So go to Site Tools and Domain Redirects, Manage Redirects, and click Edit Pencil icon or Delete Trash icon. So next to the entry for the desired redirects, this is where you can easily removing redirects and adding them. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.